The soul, like the body, accepts by practice whatever habit one wishes it to contact. Gem cannot be polished without friction, nor a man perfected without trials. He who is not a good servant will not be a good master. The first step in the acquisition of wisdom is silence. The second, listening. The third, memory. The fourth, practice. The fifth, teaching others. The educated differ from the uneducated as much as the living from the dead. Control thy passions, lest they take vengeance on thee. It is the mind that maketh good or ill, that maketh wretch or happy, rich or poor. The emotion that can break your heart is sometimes the very one that heals it. Virtue consists in speaking and acting in the best way. If you wish to be loved, love. Our greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. It is in your power to withdraw yourself whenever you desire. Perfect tranquility within consists in the good ordering of the mind, the realm of your own.